Hi friends, this is Sanjana. So I am at the Nature's Park Mohal in Kullu. So this park is in an area of around 2.5 hectares and it is a nature and rejuvenation hub of the local people. You have a traffic zone, you have a kid zone. From the riverside, the sightseeing, you can explore the Himalayan aqua world and enjoy a walk with the nature. The gallery area and the pine groves ride on the solar cart and indulge celebrations at the party zone and much more. Parvati Forest Division. There's a river called Parvati. So people come here for relaxation, fun, and rejuvenation. And as I troll in this nature's park, I can see behind me beautiful statues, lush green trees, and nature's beautification. Sangam Swarnim Vatika, which is approximately 10 minutes drive from this place. So there are so many places to explore and enjoy the bliss with the nature. So the stay at Kullu is very nice, pleasant, and comfortable.